Dear Danish farmer, today I'm very happy to make this video to introduce about myself and show you my interest in program in Denmark for students. My name is Thao. You also can call me Trixie in English. My full name is Phuong Thao. It means grateful in Vietnamese. Now I'm 22 years old. I'm a student at Vietnam National University of Agriculture. My major is animal science. Everyone say that I'm sociable, friendly, active, and hardworking. I always have the dream of studying, working abroad to apply my practical skills and my knowledge. So when I knew this program, I realized that is my opportunity for me to make my dream come true. I decided to apply for this program because of some reasons. Firstly, your country is the kingdom of animal farm. Secondly, your country has sharing of all any agriculture with many underdeveloped and developing countries in the world. Furthermore, when I practiced at the swine farm and chicken farms, my responsibility was to feed them, take care of them, pick eggs from the chicken farms. I really enjoy them. I want to come to your countries to work and learn new knowledge, appearance, modern breeding, modern technique, modern technology. I am currently looking for a farm to have my internship. Thank you for considering my application, and I am looking forward to hearing from you. Faithfully yours.